In this video, I will tell you how to create a zip file for photos and videos on your iPhone. In this video is a step-by-step tutorial whether you want to compress file to save storage, share multiple photos at once or organize your media. This will show you exactly how to create a zip file using the built-in Files app on your iPhone. Okay, if you have like any iPhone, tell me in the comment box. First, you have to just open your photos, and now you have to just select which one to you have to convert the zip file. Just select the photos some, and now you have to just select, you can videos also. So just you have to just select here and click on the share options. Click on the share options. Click here in the share options. Now you can see, after clicking the share options, now you can see in the downside you have to just find here, you can see add to album option and many option you can see here, but you have to just simply here you can see save to files options. Click on the save to file options. After clicking the save to file options, now you have to just see here this type of open. You have to just click on the here three dots options first, and now you can see the new folder options have. Click on the new folder, and now you have to just write any name for your folder. Now you have to just write any name, and now you have to just, after write any name, now you have to just select here folder which you want to, and now you have to just click on the save options. Now you can see here have to save on, this is all file will be saved on your file option. So open your file options, click on the file. Now you can see you have to just here click on this file. You can see I have just copy here. So now you have to just go to the back, and now you have to just select that file. Now after select that file, you can find here compress options. Click on the compress options. So now you can see this will be convert to zip file. So you can easily do this in your iPhone. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel Gen 1 Guide.